we are getting some breaking news. Supreme Court has slammed freebies culture. Supreme Court said people relying on rations don't want to work. In fact, the Supreme Court has also criticized free ration without work. The Supreme Court has said that free ration money and with the money is being given without any work, and the Supreme Court further said if we are creating a class of parasites by giving freebies won't bring voters to mainstream, and the top court further said that freebies hamper growth. So that's what the top court has said on the freebie culture. The Supreme Court has clearly slammed the freebies culture. My colleague Harish is now joining us with more details on this. Harish, freebies make a very important part in elections we are seeing in the recent times. But the top court has clearly slammed this freebie culture, saying that this is promoting a culture and a class of parasites, in fact, in the recent times.
During public interest litigation pertaining to making available free night shelters to the poor, these comments came in that hearing. Justice Gawai said that the counsel for Delhi government informed the court that shelters were in a dilapidated state. At this juncture, the judge went on to say the affidavit says facilities will be provided to them rather than promoting them to be part of the mainstream society by contributing to the development of the nation. Are we not creating a class of parasites? This is what the judge asked and went on to say. Unfortunately, because of these freebies, which are just on the annual of elections, that is before the elections, some yojanas or other, some other states, the people are not willing to work. They are getting free ration. They are getting the amount without doing any work. Why should they? Would it not be better to make them part of mainstream society? Permit them to contribute to the development of the nation rather than creating a class of parasites. This is a very, very strong observation from the Supreme Court as far as the freebie culture is concerned. Remember, the same judge had recently in a case said that state has money to give freebies but cannot pay judges. In fact, Supreme Court was hearing a matter related to non-payment of pension and salary dues to judges. That oral remark had come in response to a submission by the government that it had the financial constraints when paying salaries and pension to judges of district judiciary. It was specifically cited largely by the Maharashtra government and recent promises made by various political parties ahead of Delhi polls. So, twice, within a space of 1 month, Justice B.R. Gawai of the Supreme Court hard-hitting remarks as far as the freebie culture is concerned. Very significantly, Supreme Court making the following observations. Number one, unfortunately, because of freebies, people not willing to work. Number two, free ration money without doing any work is not permissible. Number three, rather than promoting them, that is the poor, to be part of the mainstream society by contributing to the development of the nation, we are creating a class of parasites. So very, very significant observations coming in from the Supreme Court as far as the controversial freebies culture is concerned. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harish. Thank you for getting us all those details and for that context. With that, we're now